Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Beauty Big Bang PR haul video for you. Beauty Big Bang was very kind and they offered me to review some of their stamping plates. Unfortunately, my package got lost in mail and I never received it, so they reached out to me again and they offered me to resend the stamping plate, and they also asked me if I would like to review some of their dipping powders. I said yes, of course. I'm really excited to try everything. I never tried their dipping powders, so I am very curious to see how they work. And as far as stamping plates go, you guys know that I absolutely love them, so I had to have these as well. These were all sent to me and I will have separate review videos for you. As you know, I am away until the end of May and I really just wanted to share with you what I received from Beauty Big Bang, and I will have separate videos for the stamping plate collections or sets, and of course I will also review for you the dipping powders, so definitely stay tuned. And to make sure that you don't miss out on those videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I will also appreciate if you like my video. It helps me a lot. I will link for you everything also in the description box, and maybe let me know what would you like to see first. Do you want to see the dipping powders first, or do you want to see one of the stamping plate sets as first for my review? Thank you so much Beauty Big Bang again for sending this to me, and you can also use my discount code for 10% off, and I will just leave everything for you in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But if you have any questions, leave them for me in the comment section below. So stay tuned for the haul, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.